5 Best Nail Gun. Here is the product number 5. Mini Staple Nail Gun Stapler Stapling Machine. Specification: easy to mount the nail and fine-tuning pressure screw. Easy squeeze mechanism. Unique force adjustable knob design allows you to freely adjust the force based on binding materials. Effort saving and hand fatigue reduced. Long-lasting durability. Adopted premium eco-friendly steel, anti-abrasive and corrosion resisting, super sturdy, heavy duty. Here is the product number 4. 3-way nail staple gun and stapler. Description: made of full steel, top spring configuration, firm and durable, portable and easy to operate. Quick nailed, high strength. The stapler gun fit to frame staple 4 to 14 mm, round staple 10 to 12 mm, and finish nail 10 to 14 mm. This item is widely used in furniture, leather, wooden case, upholstery and shoes industry. Here is the product number 3. 2-in-1 framing Tacker electric nails staple gun. Description: voltage: 220 to 40 VAC. Rated power: 1800 watts. Frequency: 50/60 Hz. Impact rate: 30 per minute. Magazine capacity: 100 PCs. Brand name: Patel. Type: framing nail gun. Capacity: 30 N per minute. Power source: electricity. Here is the product number 2. Multitool nail staple gun furniture stapler. Description: made of full steel, top spring configuration, firm and durable, portable and easy to operate. Quick nailed, high strength. This item is widely used in furniture, leather, wooden case, upholstery and shoes industry. Model number: nail gun stapler. DIY supplies: electrical. Power source: manual. Here is the product number 1. Rivet Tool Riveter Gun with 60 PC steel blind. Features: steel riveter and rivets. Wrench stores on handle. Sturdy and durable kit tool. Comfortable rubber handle to prevent slipping. 4 different interchangeable nose pieces. Ideal tool for the workshop, toolbox, home crafts, hobbyists, modelers and so on. Ideal tool for trade use such as welders, auto electricians, car mechanics and so on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.